Right. In this modern time, every field or career gets GOAT, greatest of all time. In football, it is either Ronaldo or Lionel Messi. In basketball, you have LeBron James. And in long tennis, you have Federer, Nadal, or Djokovic. So too, when it comes to mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A52 falls into the GOAT category of the best mid-range devices that have been released so far in this 2021. I will sum up my review of this smartphone in 3 words: durability, longevity, and creativity. The Galaxy A52 is durable because of how it was made. It is a strong smartphone, as you can see. The front display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and the back is made of plastic, which are very strong materials. But most importantly, the smartphone is water resistant with an IP67 rating. This is a feature you only see in high-end expensive flagship smartphones. And to confirm the water resistant feature, I had the smartphone put under the water. In fact, this particular Samsung Galaxy A52 that I'm using for this review video is the one I used for the water test. If you are interested in watching the full water test of the Galaxy A52, I will link it below. So the point here is that the smartphone is durable. There's no other mid-range smartphone out there that has an IP67 rating. So for now, the Galaxy A52 is inimitable. And I would really love to see other brands adopt this IP67 feature in their mid-range devices. And that brings us to the longevity of this smartphone. You see, the Galaxy A52 has 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, which you can also expand via a micro SD card. It is powered by the Snapdragon 720G chipset, which I think Samsung would have uplifted a little bit, but there's no cause for alarm. The chipset performs fine. But the most important thing about the longevity of this smartphone is the software. Samsung has promised 3 years of major software updates. So the Galaxy A52 will get Android 12, Android 13, and Android 14 updates. To explain to you the importance of a constant software update, let's use this example. Modern smartphones are just like vehicles, automobiles, that you need to refill their gas or fuel. Or even if it's an electric car like Tesla, you still need to charge the batteries for it to function well. Same thing goes with modern smartphones. If you plan to use a smartphone for many years, you will need regular software updates to keep the smartphone running smoothly. And that exactly is what Samsung has promised. Lastly, the creativity part of the Samsung Galaxy A52 is that the selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it takes amazing pictures without too much exposure. It also maintains natural skin tone better than the Galaxy A32 selfie cameras. On the rear, you get 64 megapixel selfie camera, 64 megapixel primary lens with an OIS. Once again, this is a feature you rarely see in any mid-range smartphone. With optical image stabilization, you take less blurry images, which can enhance your productivity if you are a vlogger or a TikTok star. The 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens is excellent and it offers better quality than 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera out there. The night mode also got improved and better. It is capable of shooting video in 4K resolution. The camera interface is very familiar with the one you see in modern Samsung smartphones, and its speakers too are very loud. You also got the 3.5mm jack, an always-on display feature that serves as your notification panel. The battery of the smartphone is 4,500 mAh battery capacity. It will give you 7 hours screen on time with 90 Hz refresh rate enabled. So if you use 60 Hz refresh rate, it will last you longer than 7 hours. That means a full day battery life for an intensive user. It is so easy for me to recommend the Galaxy A52 for you to buy it. The 310 USD, 139,500 naira It's worth it. For me, you get some feature you only see on flashy smartphones available here on the Galaxy 52 at a budget price. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on the post bell, like and share. It's my dear, thanks for watching, and I will see you around soon in my next one.